Introducing the tea list, Montingia calabora of the family Montingiaceae. In Visayan languages, it is called Mansanitas. The tilis is a tree that is 10 meters tall and has spreading branches. Leaves are alternate, disticose, oblong ovate to broad oblong to 12 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide, acuminate and with serrate margins. Flowers are white and up to 2 centimeters in diameter. Fruits are globose, red, fleshy, and up to 1.5 centimeters in diameter, edible. The tilis is native to tropical America. It was introduced to the Philippines during the Spanish period. It is propagated by seeds. For the past 22 years, researchers have attempted to establish the pharmacological value of the tea leaves through rigorous scientific investigations worldwide. Despite the differences in culture, geography, location, and climate, different parts of the tea leaves have been medicinally used to treat various ailments, and many have been scientifically proven. Interestingly, various new medicinal potentials of the tea leaves have been reported based on the scientific investigation.